Okay, let's get to our chief meteorologist, Mike Everett, joining us with our first alert forecast this hour.
Hi, Joyce. So we got a little bit of tranquility today. We'll take that into tomorrow as well, but take a look at this. This is the Pacific, this is the West Coast, and here's what we're expecting as we go forward into Wednesday. In fact, this is right around 7:30. Next atmospheric river, it looks like it will tap into Northern California this time. Remember, last time around, over the last 48 hours, a lot of the video that we've been seeing has been from Southern California, in particular in Santa Barbara County and towards San Luis Obispo. This time around, a little bit farther towards the north, but not much consolation for folks who've just been seeing non-stop heavy rain. By the way, we're about to tap into that. Did you notice what just happened there? Once it makes landfall in Northern California, the moisture plume turns. There's a massive low pressure system right here. Remember, flow around a low is always counterclockwise, so it will pull that moisture up from the south to the north, and we're going to be in it starting tomorrow morning. Take a look at this. Looks like Thursday is going to be a big day for us, where we're going to see those non-stop rains and showers finally tapering on Friday. In fact, this is 10:30 on Friday night. It's still raining out. Guess what? There's another one behind it. In fact, that looks like it's going to keep things soggy for the Seahawks and 49ers game on Saturday, so maybe we'll get a little home field advantage out of it. In the meantime, this is what we are expecting. By the time we get to about 10:30 on Thursday night, round one is going to deliver copious rain to the region, especially out towards the Olympics there, but it looks like the Cascades are going to get some rain on snow. In fact, those snow levels are going to pop way up. I'll tell you more about that in a moment. By the time we get to Friday, this is what we're looking at. It looks like most of us will be seeing upwards of 2 to 3 inches of rain along the coast, Seattle and King County, the northern Cascades, and it looks like Hood Canal, Kitsap, and Everett will pick up anywhere between about 1.5 inches to 2 inches there as well. So let's put it into motion. Tomorrow morning, we get some showers that move through. No big deal there. We'll also get a little bit of a sun break mid-morning. Right around the evening commute, this is 6 p.m. Now we start to tap into that rain, and it stays steady. In fact, this is right around midnight into Thursday. This is Thursday morning, right around 9:30. We do expect heavy showers. In fact, a lot of those will be pushing into the foothills up towards Snohomish and up towards Whatcom County as well. This is Thursday night at 7:30. It's still raining hard. In fact, it continues until about midday on Friday, when we'll finally see that moisture shift off towards the west a little bit. That's going to light up the coast and Vancouver Island and Vancouver itself. Those winds are going to get gusty as well. They're going to be coming in from the east, so ignore the numbers. Once again, take a look at some of those arrows. That's going to be creating some wind gusts up to about 50 miles an hour in some of the passes, so it's going to be a rough day on Thursday. We're going to make it a first alert day. Friday, it looks like we will see those showers start to taper, but there'll be more on Saturday. Oh, and I just checked. It's going to be raining heavily on Saturday for the Seahawks game.